I'm going to show you how I made this very fast and effective $146 trade, but it's not only $146, it's $146 multiplied by my 18 accounts. Now I did blow a couple 2 weeks ago before I had my first baby. That was 5 Tradeify accounts and 5 Top Step accounts, but I was just getting too aggressive, meaning I wasn't following my rules with stop losses, and I was taking multiple trades a day. So after I did my goal, I don't let myself lose more than 200 to 250 max per day. I would hit that, and then I would try to go again, making up that loss. And then it just screwed me because one time I went 600 negative, and another time went 1,000, and then a couple other little ones. So just got to listen to your rules. My other rule is also 200 to 250 profit per day. This one I just felt safe with. Well, actually, I'll explain here why it was only 146 instead of 250, which it would have been, but I was just trailing it really close. So if we go here to log into this trade of 8, I can show you exactly what my trade was. So you can see it was at this triangle and this triangle on the 5 minute, or if we go to the 1 minute, it was here and here. So this is exactly what my thought was. The day opened up here, we have a downtrend, and I like to do support and resistance, but you can see lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then once again, lower high. So right here, I took my trade. I took one sell of 1 mini contract. So 1 mini for each point it moves is $50. So for my $250 to $200 goal, that's only 5-point movement. Now what I did is I actually took a really low stop, so risk. So I actually put my risk right here at the top. Now sometimes I have gotten wicked out before, so I will try to go like a point above, honestly, to really confirm. But anyways, I had a stop loss here. It started going down. Well, it went horizontal a little, started going down right away, you can see. After I got to $100 profit, I was trailing it at $50. So right here, this is $150 profit. I had it right at 100, and then it went down to this 200 or 250, and then so I moved it down to 150 profit. Well, it came right back up. If I would have kept it not trailing as tight, I would have gotten right here. This line is $250 profit, or even I would have gotten $350 if I would have waited down to here. But also, I have gotten saved a lot by following really close, because, for example, see right here, if I would have been in the same exact trade, if I would have kept my tight stop, well, it would have saved me this huge, I would have lost all my profit right here, if I would have got in here and done the same thing. So sometimes it works out, and sometimes you don't. That's the thing, is we can't predict the future. All in all, with stocks, you're either going to be profitable or you're going to be negative. It's a 50-50 shot. We just try to make it a little more in our favor with some chart analytics and, random, we'll call it good luck like that. So that's the trade I made today. I'll just take that 150. That's fine. You can see the downtrend is kind of going, but now we're kind of almost barcoding here. You can see these highs are very similar. These lows are pretty similar. This could have been a breakout, but it's not. We got VWAP over here on the purple. But anyways, that was a nice trade for the day, so we're going to be done. It does not take much. Like, look at from this triangle here to this triangle, that was 150. And when the market's really moving, because it's not really moving much at all right now, with 1 mini, it can make you go negative or positive very, very fast. So you could do a couple micros. Micros are good too to do partials. So for example, if I had 10 micros here, which is the same as 1 mini, I could have just taken half of my position off right here, and then another half down here, or even down here, if I decided to hold this uptrend. But all on the style. If you want to see and be profitable with me, I have $14,000 in payouts. You can join my free community on School, and I'll show you how. And I also trade options as well. There's an options prop firm. This is just the trading style here, Rick's Trade. but it's actually called options funding. So you can use the code, the Hobbyman10, for that as well. But heck yeah, goal is $250 a day. You do simple math times 20 accounts. It's quite a bit a month. So let's get this together. We're a team. Heck yeah.